Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. This is a great place for gig workers to learn how to make more money. In today's video, I'm incredibly excited to tell you all about a new company that is helping gig workers get cash advances. We're gonna talk about it. If you've ever been behind on your payments, you've ever really needed to pay rent like fast, you know that having access to a cash advance could be, could help out tremendously. So I'm gonna go over this company. It's called Ivycard. I have a link below. And when you use the link, you get free cash advances for life right now. So lock in that offer right now. You never know when you might need it. But otherwise, I'm gonna get into the video, show you a little bit what it's about. I've already talked with one of the founders on the team. They're just gonna be really honest with you guys. They're incredible. I really like them. I really feel comfortable telling you all about this company. And again, they're brand new, so work with them. They're not been around for 20, 30 years. They're not $1 billion, one of these, crazy, I don't know. They're a new company, but they're really awesome. So I'm excited to let you all know about them. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so here we have it, my friends. I'm gonna make this video super quick and simple. It's called Ivycard. Join the Ivycard beta. Beta basically means it's kind of a testing phase that they're in right now. So like I said, when you sign up for the beta, you're getting access to those free lifetime cash advances, which is crazy because they're actually kind of losing money with the first round of people. But because in the future they will charge for cash advances, but right now, if you get in, you're gonna lock in free cash advances for life. All you gotta do is go to my link in the description box, type in your email like this, and let's go over, and you'll get, says right here, $100 to support your gig business. No fees forever. First one, okay, so it says first 100 approved beta users get free cash advances on the Ivycard forever. It's really that simple. No service fees for the first 100 users. No penalties or other hidden fees. No credit checks ever. Get funding. It looks like you can really get money fast, and that's why I really like it. Let's expand access to the American dream. Workers shouldn't have to choose between flexibility and peace of mind. Ivy Growth is committed to improving the financial well-being of the gig economy workforce. So the main issue that gig drivers face is liquidity. If you know what liquidity means, it's basically like you make money and you kind of just pay your bills. Most gig workers, you have rent due. Let's say your rent is $1,500 a month, and your food's an extra $200-300 a month, whatever. All your expenses are $2,000 a month. Most gig workers make around $2,000 a month. So sometimes, let's say you get deactivated, or you get sick, or you get in a car accident, you can't work for a week. This could be really painful time, and going into debt or going negative in your bank account, a lot of times you get charged with a fee. You get charged with a negative overdraft fee. I've gotten hit with those, especially driving Uber. And a lot of times, because I would take my money and pay off my credit card bill, and a lot of times my debit account would be at like, $7, because all my money, I would just go straight to my credit card debt. And sometimes, I'm like, oh my gosh, I had to pay my car insurance, and it came out, and now all of a sudden I'm negative, and I gotta work for Uber to pay that, but I have to pay $35 overdraft fee. So a company like Ivycard kind of really fixes that, and I wish I would have had access to Ivycard at that time. Now I do have savings, which shout out to Current, because I'm using Current to build up my savings. I'll have a link below to them as well. And they're paying 4% APY. So I honestly think, these are just companies that I really believe in. Like, I think that driving for Uber and Lyft and these gig apps really teaches you about personal finance management. That's really, driving for Uber and Lyft really changed my life around. I'm fortunate to the point where I don't have a lot of debt anymore, but driving for Uber and Lyft was a huge changing point in my life, because I finally realized, like, okay, I can, work as hard as I want and make more money. I worked 2 jobs, and I started driving for Uber and Lyft during my off time I stopped going out to eat, stopped eating out, stopped going out doing social activities, literally because I wanted to change my life around. I was devoted, and paid off my credit card debt, paid off my car, and started building up a savings account. So anyways, I love providing you all with these certain services that could help out tremendously and not take advantage of you. You know, this isn't a company that, oh yeah, you're gonna get a cash advance for $100 and then they're gonna charge you like, I don't know, some of these payday loan places are like charging you so much money. Ivycard's awesome. Check them out, my friends. You won't be disappointed if you ever need a cash advance. Ivycard is the go-to one place for you. And again, they just work with gig workers, Doordash, Instacart, Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, Uber Eats, GoPuff, Roadie, Shipped, all of these companies, TaskRabbit. So check it out. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to send them over to the team at Ivycard. But otherwise, thanks for watching. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.